Hello.
Yes, hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How have you been?
Yes, I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also as fit as fiddle. So this meeting is the first time. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. So this is me, Noor Zafar, and I'm 20 years old. I have completed my graduation. If I talk to about my computer education, so I have completed my triple C, and I have also completed my Tele ERP 9 with GST.
Oh,
Nowadays, I'm learning this language.
okay, sounds good. So how have you been learning this language?
Okay, that's good. Sorry.
How have you been learning this language?
I have been learning for 3 to 4 months ago. 3 to 4 months. Yes,
But
since 3 to 4.
Your improvement is really good. A little bit short time period.
Yeah,
So
because yes, because my sister suggests me, she guide me. That's why I think that I am improving in my language, in
yeah,
English
yeah,
language.
so good in English.
Yes, that's
She is
right.
a very talented girl. Yeah, I talked to her. She is an amazing girl. Her fluency is really awesome. When I talk
Yes,
to her, I observe many times. She speaks well. So yeah,
yes,
when we practice a daily basis, so we can do easily create the
yes, ma'am.
fluency. Yeah.
Yes.
So now it's my turn. So I'm giving my introduction. My name is
Okay.
Neha. Bhagat. I live in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I used to run my coaching center. Recently, I live in a village, so I teach to my students at my home. Apart from I'm running my YouTube channel, my channel name is Speaking Zone. So I'm learning this language, so that's why I started this channel. So this
That's
yes.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Your voice is
Say,
breaking and your video also breaking.
oh, I
It's,
don't
it's,
know
it's,
what's happening.
yes, it's stacking. Your video also stacking.
I don't know how may be possible. Network is poor right now.
My network also good.
I
Actually,
don't think maybe possible in my side network is not good.
in your side.
Yeah, yeah, maybe possible because this is a village area, na. But first time it's happening. Always my network is good. I don't know what's happening right now.
Yes, now it's going right.
Yeah, sometime it's happen. I think.
Yes, sometime your voice and your video is stacking. Voice is
Yeah,
breaking.
yeah. Uh, this thing is not in my hand. How can we do anything?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I know. Yes.
So, so tell me about your hobbies.
Okay, actually, my there are many hobbies. My many hobbies. But first of all, my hobby is playing cricket, watching movies, listening song, reading book. I am fond of reading book. I am also nowadays reading some book like time management, how to control time, and how to manage time. So nowadays I am reading time management.
Yeah, time management is a very important. If you are
Yes.
able to manage the time, so we do all the things in a particular time period. Because some people don't know about how to utilize their time.
Yes, yes. That's why nowadays, yes, I
Yeah,
want to know that how to use our time.
yeah. So how to utilize to your time? Can you suggest me anything for me and my viewers?
First of all, nowadays, I want to tell my daily routine. First of all, I wake up early morning about 8 a.m. in the morning because nowadays winter is going. So after that, I freshed up, then I take shower, then I take my breakfast. Then nowadays, I'm learning this language, and as well as I'm preparing for my business
Okay.
because
Which type
yes.
want to start?
Sorry, ma'am.
Which type of business are you talking?
Okay, actually, I will start my business some time after some time. So
Ah, yeah.
I now I want to know about business, that how to start business. Okay, how to deal customer, and what is the advantages and disadvantages of business, and what is the better, like business is better or job is better. So that's why I'm searching on the YouTube, on the Google. So that's why I'm going nowadays. I'm going at the shop. Actually, I have a cousin, so he has a shop of the cloth, like lady suit, lady sari. So that's why I'm going nowadays. I'm going on their shop, on his shop, because when I go there, so I see many things. I see many things like how to deal of the customer. So that's why I'm utilize my time on the business, how to start business, how what is the advantages business. So normally I utilize my time learning language, learning business,
Yeah.
because
It is
yes, because
good because this nowadays online is a much better to the offline study.
yes,
Because the online study we can learn anything, whatever our need. So we can easily learn search on the YouTube and the Google, and after that we get the knowledge all about the thing. But
yes,
earlier we had no any choice to get the knowledge something about the it is risky for the people that time. They want to start their business, so they think about that business. If they have a money, so they start the business with the risk. But nowadays, what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage of the business, so we can get understand. But tell me about the business as the job for the people purpose. Job is the better, yeah, the business is the better.
okay. Actually, ma'am, according to me, in point of my view, I think business is better than job.
So how can you say like that business is good? And in spite of this, most of the people prefer to the job because they feel secure life when they do the job. So what's the reason behind this?
Okay. Actually, ma'am, if I have a business, I'm businessman, suppose. So I have a in my home, anyone have get married, okay, and anyone I want to go for picnic, okay. So if I have a business, I'm businessman, I have personal business, so I can go for picnic with my family. Okay, I can go any party, any marriage of my friends, of my cousin.
I'm not satisfied to your answer because I'm also a businesswoman. Because I
Hmm.
used to my coaching center, my family also belongs to a business family. So I know about the business, what is the value of the business. We are talking about the business versus job. So both have a responsibilities. Suppose yes, you already mentioned this thing. If we have a business, so we can take the holidays, go to the picnic. But in this way, you have a responsibility of their business or not. If you take leave for long, so it will be lost to your business as well as a job. If you lots of the whereas of the times you take holidays, so you will get fired from your job. In both cases, I think it is harmful for us,
Okay.
because business and job we have some responsibilities. One day
Yes.
we can leave in both cases, but if we say like that, we have no any responsibility. We can't say like that, because you are a businessman. You have an ownership. You can
Yes.
take this to yourself, but every time you are responsible to your business.
Okay. I'm agree with your point. Yes.
Yes.
I'm agree with your point. But sometimes what happen.